The Rheinmetall Skynex is a state-of-the-art short-range air defense system, or SHORAD, designed to counter a wide spectrum of modern aerial threats. This includes drones, helicopters, and even rockets. Developed by Germany's Rheinmetall, Skynex stands out for its modular, open architecture. This approach allows integration of diverse sensors, effectors, and legacy systems, tailoring the system to specific mission needs. Skynex can connect a variety of sensors, like radars, electro-optical systems, and electronic warfare components, as well as effectors such as automatic cannons, missiles, and lasers from different manufacturers, as long as they have a compatible tracking unit. This flexibility enables rapid upgrades and adaptation to emerging threats. The system can integrate 35mm automatic cannons, like the Oerlikon revolver gun MAK-3, which is capable of firing 1,000 rounds per minute using advanced AHEAD ammunition, surface-to-air missiles, electronic warfare systems, and future high-energy lasers. This mix creates a multi-layered shield against saturation and swarm attacks, including low-cost drone swarms that are, honestly, difficult for traditional missile systems to counter cost-effectively. Skynex's 35mm guns use AHEAD ammunition, which explodes in mid-air to release sub-projectiles, increasing the probability of hit against small, fast-moving targets like drones. These rounds are also less vulnerable to electronic jamming compared to missile systems. The Oerlikon Skymaster battle management system acts as the central control node, consolidating data from multiple sensors and autonomously assigning targets to the most appropriate effector. Skynex is highly mobile and can be quickly deployed to protect critical infrastructure, military bases, or forward positions. It operates effectively in all weather conditions and can detect and engage threats 24/7. The system can engage hard-case targets, such as armored drones, at up to 6 kilometers and soft-case targets, like conventional drones, at up to 10 kilometers. India faces growing drone and missile threats from regional adversaries, underscored by recent clashes and escalating tensions. The Indian Army's current air defense arsenal, including aging L-70 and Zu-23mm guns, is increasingly inadequate against modern, low-altitude, and swarm-type threats. Skynex offers a proven, layered defense against drones, cruise missiles, and ram threats, critical for protecting borders, cities, and military installations. The use of gun-based systems with smart ammunition is far cheaper per engagement than missiles, especially against swarms of low-cost drones. The open architecture allows integration of new technologies, like lasers and advanced sensors, as they emerge, ensuring the system remains relevant as threats evolve. While per-engagement costs are low, the initial procurement and integration of a modern system like Skynex could be substantial. India is developing its own air defense systems, like Akash and QRSAM. Any foreign acquisition must be weighed against the strategic goal of self-reliance, or Atmanirbhar Bharat. Reliance on foreign OEMs for spares and upgrades could pose long-term challenges, especially in crisis scenarios. If you found the video insightful, hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.